In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request time off in Hubstaff if you need to schedule vacation, a personal day, or any other planned absence. Hubstaff makes the process simple and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path to submit a time off request so you can make sure your time away is properly recorded. To begin, log into your Hubstaff account and look for the calendar section. Go ahead and click on calendar. This area helps you manage your schedule and view time-related information in one place, so it's the right starting point whenever you need to make updates related to availability or planned leave. Once you're inside the calendar section, find the time off option and click on it. This will take you to the part of Hubstaff specifically designed for time off management. Here, you can usually review existing requests, check your available balance if that feature is enabled for your workspace, and prepare to submit a new request. Next, click on Request Time Off. This opens the request form where you can begin entering the details of your leave. From here, you'll typically choose the dates you want to take off and complete any required information before submitting the request for approval. Take a moment to review everything carefully so your manager or admin receives the correct details the first time. As a helpful tip, before submitting your request, make sure the selected dates are accurate and that they match your intended time away. It's also a good idea to submit requests as early as possible, whenever you can, especially during busy periods or holiday seasons, since that gives your team more time to plan around your absence. If your organization uses an approval workflow, your request may need to be reviewed before it is officially accepted. After submission, you can return to the time off section later to check the status of your request and confirm whether it has been approved. And that's it. The process is simply to click on calendar, click on time off, and then click on request time off. Once you know where to find these options, requesting leave in Hubstaff becomes quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.